storm of 2014. We just got hit by the almost the middle, but not the middle. You can see you can hear the rain coming down, and the trees are moving. I'm gonna move a little closer here. Show you some big trees. That's the big tree right there. Yeah, it's storming, hon. I gotta keep my hand away from that camera. It's on the side. Sorry about that, folks. I got my finger in the way and I forgot about the camera being on the side. Storm of 2014. Awesome. This is Shanekaschpoetryinc signing out. See ya.